Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to your mobile. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Then, enable both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Power on your Apple Watch and place it close to your iPhone, ideally within a few centimeters. This initial proximity is crucial for the devices to discover each other and begin the setup process smoothly, ensuring a strong connection from the start. Next, open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. You'll see an option to start pairing. Tap this and follow the prompts. Your iPhone camera will then activate, and you'll need to use it to scan the unique animated pattern displayed on your Apple Watch screen. This visual pairing method securely links your two devices, making the connection process straightforward and efficient in just a few moments. Once paired, you'll be prompted to set up your watch. You can choose to set it up as a brand new device or restore from an existing backup if you've had an Apple Watch before. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, it's highly recommended to create a secure passcode for your Apple Watch. This adds an important layer of security, protecting your personal data and ensuring privacy for your device. Finally, your Apple Watch will begin syncing data from your iPhone. This process might take several minutes, depending on the amount of information. Once complete, you can start exploring all the features and applications on your new watch. Remember to keep your iPhone and Apple Watch within approximately 10 meters of each other for the best and most reliable connection, ensuring seamless communication between them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.